too young to be taken seriously at one point, too old to pivot at another. Does it sound familiar? Let me tell you why that belief is holding you back. Hi there. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am Vidhichu, an award winning AI leader and futurist. And this channel is my documentary of how I grew up ranks, built my personal brand, and designed a meaningful life that I enjoy every day. As an executive coach, I help AI leaders advance their leadership journey by building authority in AI and beyond. I also explore topics like personal growth, mindset shift, and breaking through self limiting beliefs, all of which help leaders in fast paced, high stake environments. All my life, I have heard this phrase: you are too young for this, or you are too old for that. And for a long time, I have let this belief shape how I think of myself. It became a silent voice in the back of my mind, holding me back from taking risk or stepping into the roles I was fully capable of. When I was starting my career, I was often the youngest person in the room. I still remember sitting in those meetings feeling like my ideas don't carry any weight because of my experience, or you can call it as lack of experience. I overcompensated by working harder but speaking less, hoping my results would do the talking. And now was the time when I was growing older. But what I was seeing was there were senior leaders who were still decades ahead of me. And I saw them being brushed off simply because now they are too old. There were people talking that the learning curve of these senior leaders would have tapered off and that they might not be the right fit or they might not adjust to the fast paced environment of AI. And I saw candidates half their age being selected for those positions. Needless to say, their experience was also half in terms of delivering the value into those roles. And that's the moment I realized you are never too young or too old to do anything meaningful in your life. Let me give you some more context. Yesterday, I was watching a video of someone in their 20s sharing tips of how and when to start a company, how to run a successful business. And not just this, I have a friend of mine who was literally waiting for his 18th birthday to be able to get those documentation done fast so that he can run his business. The young generation of today is very clear about their ambitions. And I would say so is the older one as well. And right from the time I started my career, I had never fully agreed with the word retirement. And examples such as that of Colonel Harland Sanders, the man behind KFC's success, has set new standards of what an experienced person can do. He was 65 years old when he started franchising his chicken recipe. Most people would have retired by then, but not him. He took his age and turned it into an asset, using his lifetime of experience into building one of the most recognized global iconic brand. Now, I'll give you another example. Have you heard of Malala Yousafzai? She became the youngest Nobel Peace Prize laureate at the age of 17. Her youth wasn't a disadvantage. In fact, it was her greatest strength in advocating for change. What I've seen is age is a label that others use when they can't see your potential. It is their way of boxing you in. But the only person who gets to define your limits is you. When I was younger, I brought fresh ideas and curiosity to the table. Now, I bring depth and wisdom, and both are equally valuable depending upon how you look at them. Here is what these stories teach us: the belief that you are too young or too old is just that, a belief. It's not a fact. Your age is only a limitation if you believe it. What matters is the energy, the enthusiasm, the perspective, and the resilience that you bring on the table. What I've seen is every stage of life comes with its unique advantages. Use them. In my own journey, I have seen that what matters is being a lifelong learner. When I was younger, I leaned into curiosity and fearlessness. Now I focus on reflection and intentionality. So if you have ever said that I'm too young to lead or I'm too old to start over, I would say it's time to let that belief go. Today, I want you to ask yourself just these two questions. Number one, where in your life have you been holding back because of your thought like I am too young or too old? And question number two, what opportunities could you seize if you stopped letting age define your work? So it's time to rewrite your story, challenge those self-limiting beliefs, and step into that version of yourself that you're capable of becoming. This particular year, promise me that we'll make it all about action and not age. If this video resonates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need it today. I'll see you in the next video.